The next great event which will be discussed is mentioned in chapter 10 Yunus, verses 88 to 89.
Our Lord, obliterate their wealth and harden their hearts, so that they will not believe until they see the painful punishment. Allah said, your supplication has been answered. So remain on a right course and follow not the way of those who do not know.
This great event reminds Muslims that even though wealth and authority are not prohibited in Islam, as long as they are obtained and used in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, but when they are not, they always misguide their possessor and others. It is why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2376, that the desire of obtaining wealth and authority is more destructive to a person's faith than the destruction caused by two hungry wolves which have been set free on a herd of sheep. The minimum limits of seeking wealth and authority is that they should never prevent one from fulfilling their obligatory duties towards Allah, the Exalted, or the creation, and they should not encourage them to commit sins, such as oppression. As acquiring these two things beyond one's necessities is extremely difficult to achieve within these limits, it is therefore safer for a Muslim to only seek what fulfills their needs and the needs of their dependents. The one who overindulges in these two things and crosses the limits should be aware of losing these blessings and spoiling their spiritual heart so that it becomes hardened. This has been warned in this great event. This spiritual heart will not be safe on the day of resurrection, as it has become blinded from true guidance by the darkness which has encompassed it. This has been warned in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 4244. In addition, the answer of this supplication from Allah, the Exalted, teaches Muslims that they must adhere to the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. One should not merely supplicate without this obedience, as this contradicts the etiquettes and conditions of a successful supplication. Finally, the response from Allah, the Exalted, warns Muslims not to supplicate and then expect an immediate response, as Allah, the Exalted, responds when it is best for His servant. The one who gives up supplicating because of this attitude will not have their supplication fulfilled. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3387. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.